Hi students, good morning. The continuation part 4 indefinite integration. Okay, previous class we have discussed I think up to 64 question. Now I am going to discussing 65 integration of 0 to pi x into sine cube x dx. Let this is I, because we have to eliminate x. Use the property 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In place of x, pi minus x, sine cube of pi minus x dx. 0 to pi into sine cube of sine pi minus x is sine x, sine cube x, minus 0 to pi x into sine cube x dx. This into this. So this is equal to I, transpose this side I plus I, 2I equal pi into 0 to pi sine cube x dx, sine cube x dx, right? Now this is, can I write like this, 2 into pi by 2, reduce the power, again which in the form of 0 to 2a f of x dx. Tell me 0 to 2a f of x dx formula is 0 to a 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Tell me here, f of 2 into pi by 2 minus x equal to f of x. So you will get 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx. Here 2 get cancelled, I is equal pi. This is to find 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx. If sine power 4, sine power 5, okay, if it is that, we can find there is a shortcut method that I am going to discussing. See, 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx, 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx. Shortcut is 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx or 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. For both, the answer is same. The value is in, this is nth integral, in equal to n minus 1 by n. N minus 1 by n, decreasing by 2 numerator n minus 3, same denominator also n minus 2, so on. If it is last, 1 by 2 if comes, then multiply pi by 2, 2 by 3 if comes, multiply by 1. Okay. Now this is we can find by using sin 3x formula also, by using shortcut also. 3, n is 3. Substitute here, 3 minus 1 by n is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, next step is 1. Because 3 minus 1, 2. Next to 2 minus, we can't decrease next. 2 minus 2, 0 comes. 0 into product is, whole value will get 0. That is the last step. So 2 by 3, the answer is. Here pi. So answer is 2 pi by 3. Or you can use this formula by using sin 3x formula. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Use this formula also. Next, 66 integration a to b f of x dx divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Let this is I, use property a to b f of, in place of x, right, sum of the limits minus x, a plus b minus x dx by f of a plus b minus x, f of here a plus b minus x, minus a minus b cancel, f of x. Okay, this is add it 1 and 2, left side will get 2i, integration of a to b, numerator and denominator same, 1 dx, which is equal to x, limits a to b, b minus a, I is equal to b minus a by 2. Next 67 integration of 2 to 3 root x by root of 5 minus x plus root x dx. For this also same thing, use this formula, a to b f of x, f of x, f of a plus b minus x, 2 plus 3, 5 minus x. So is it contain this property? Yes. So answer is b minus a by 2. Tell me b 3 minus 2 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Yes. Or by method also you can solve it. 68, integration minus a to b cube root of x plus a and cube root of x plus a plus cube root of b minus x dx, which is equal to same it is a same function, b minus a plus b minus x. Add here minus a plus b minus x, in place of x if you write, this is satisfied here. So b, what is the b? Lower limit a plus by 2, b plus a by 2. Next 69, important, 0 to infinite x square dx and divided by x square plus a square, x square plus b square into x square plus c square equals pi by 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Then what is 0 to infinite dx by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9. This is given by using this, we have to solve this. So this is, we have to make into this form, 0 to infinite, my x square not there, multiply by x square here, x square by x square plus 2 square, x square plus 3 square. This is contain this form or not? X square, 0 to infinite, limits are same, this is same. A is 0, here x square, we can write x square plus 0 square. So a is 0, what is the b? 2, what is the c? 3. Substitute the answer in this, pi by 2 into a plus b 2, b plus c 5, c plus a 0, 3. So answer is 2 into 4, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 3 60, 5 by 60 is the answer. Important question that is. Next, question number 17, 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx. Let this is I, x if there means we should eliminate, and how to eliminate by using property. 0 to pi minus x, and f of sin pi minus x is sin x dx. 0 to pi into f of sin x dx minus 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx, which is equal to I plus I 2I equal to pi 0 to, this is can write 2 into pi by 2 f of sin x. This is 0 to 2a f of x dx. There are two conditions, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Then answer is 2 comes here, 2 pi 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Here 2I, so is 2 to get cancelled, I is equal to pi into 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. So third option is right. Next 71, integration of pi by 4 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus cot x dx. This is standard formula. Tell me pi by 8 log 2. Standard result this is. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus cot x. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx this value also same, this value also same. Both are very, very important out of this any one expected question. From standard results, any one compulsory they ask in the CET. (72) 0 to 1 cot inverse 1 minus x plus x square dx. 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus x plus x square dx. 0 to 1 tan inverse of, here can I write like this, 1 minus x into x, take common here, you will get 1 plus you take here x index x minus 1, correct, x index x square minus x, numerator is 1, so add plus x and minus x, add plus x and minus x, okay. It's getting from here tan inverse of x plus y by x minus y, no. Then here it's possible here minus take common here, then you will get here 1 minus x, correct, x into 1 minus x minus minus plus x square. Yes, this is in the form of tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 1 minus x. Right, this is the property, but a property in place of x, right, sum of the limits minus a, in place of x 1 minus x, if you write 1 get cancelled, tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x, both are same, 2 into 0 to 1 tan inverse of x dx. Understood? Tan inverse of 1 minus x equal to tan inverse of x. How? By using property. 1 minus x is 1 plus x, 1 get cancelled, tan inverse x, tan inverse x. Okay, property I have applied only for this, will got same here. Okay, this is how to find, you know, the standard formula. This is JEE important. Okay, by parts. 2 into tan inverse x, integration of 1, it is u and v is 1. Integration of 1 is x, and integration of tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 dx is x, limits 0 to 1. 2 into x into tan inverse of x, and this is 2 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square, limits 0 to 1. So 2 into upper limit is 1 into tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus 1 2, and lower limit is 0 and 0. So this is the answer, pi by 2 minus log 2. F of a plus b minus x equal to f of x. Then integration of a to b x into f of x dx. X is there, so use property. Let I is equal to integration of a to b x into f of x dx. Integration of a to b, in place of x write sum of the limits a plus b minus x, f of a plus b minus x and dx. Integration of a to b, a plus b minus x equal to, this is f of a plus b minus x equal to f of x, splitting here a plus b into f of x dx minus a to b x into f of x dx. This is equal to I, or I plus I, 2I, this is the same. I is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b integration of a to b f of x dx. This is the answer. Understood? I take this side 2I, a plus b, 2 transpose this side 1 by 2, a plus b by 2 into f of x dx. Same 75 also. Integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx equal to integration of a to b f of x dx is true. First option for all values of a and b, for all values of a and b. Second, a equal 0 only. Third, for all values of a only. Fourth, a equal to b equal to 0. Okay, it's true for all the values of a and b. It is a property, so it's true for all the values of a and b. Any real number it is. Next, 76, I1 equals integration of 1 to 2 x into root of x plus root of 3 minus x dx, and I2 equals integration of 1 to 2 root x plus root of 3 minus x dx. Then what is I1 by I2? Use property. Here x is there, here no x, so this we have to eliminate x by using property. I1 equal to integration of 1 to 2, in place of x write sum of the limits 1 plus 2 3 minus x, and root of 3 minus x plus root of 3, in place of x write 3 minus x plus x dx is get cancelled. So integration of 1 to 2 3 into this root of 3 minus x plus root x dx minus integration of 1 to 2 x into root of 3 minus x plus root x dx. This is I1, right? Transpose this side. I1 plus I1 is 2I1, 3. This is equal to I2. So I1 by I2 equal to 3 by 2. I1 by I2 equal to 3 by 2. (77) 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. See, x is there means eliminate x. Let this is I. By using property eliminate x. 0 to pi, in place of x write pi 0 pi minus x dx by 1 plus sin of pi minus x is sin x. 0 to pi pi dx by 1 plus sin x minus 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. This is equal to I plus I 2I. These all are JE important. Pi into 1 by 1 plus sin x. Finish the question. How to solve this is rationalization. 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x. You will get pi into 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by a plus b into a minus b 1 minus sin square x cos square x dx. Pi into 0 to pi 1 by cos square x is secant square x minus sin x by cos x secant x into tan x. So pi into integration of secant square x is tan x and sec x tan x integration is sec x, limit 0 to pi. Tan pi is 0, sec pi is minus 1, yes, plus 1. Tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 here, 2 pi. Answer is 2 pi. Here 2I is 2 pi, I is equal to 5, which is important for JE. 78 also JE. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 x dx by sin x plus cos x. Here also we should eliminate x. How can eliminate x? By using property. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 pi plus, sorry, it is not pi by 2, it is the pi by 2. Pi by 2 is there means pi by 2 minus x dx by sin 90 minus x is cos x, cos 90 minus x is sin x, correct. 0 to pi by 2, first constant take pi by 2 into dx by sin x plus cos x minus 0 to pi by 2 x dx by cos x plus sin x. This is equal to I plus I 2I. This is the standard formula. Starting part 1 have discussed root 2 log of root 2 plus 1, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x, 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x dx equal to root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. This is root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Okay, this 2 here will get root 2 by 2 means root 2 here, 2 10 this side, 2 root 2, pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 is the answer. This is a standard result. See what is the use of standard result? If this formula if you don't know, again it's take time. That's why very important the standard results. Next one is 79, 0 to pi x sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x. These are so I. We should eliminate x by using property 0 to pi, in place of x write pi minus x, sin pi minus x is sin x by 1 plus cos pi minus x is cos x, cos square x dx. Pi into 0 to pi sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x minus this is I plus I 2I equal to pi. It's direct formula, cos x derivative is here, f dash x by 1 plus f of x whole square equal formula tan inverse of f of x by a, integration f dash x dx by f of x whole square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of f of x by a. So 1 by a is 1 tan inverse of cos x plus c. So c here not getting, okay, upper limit and lower limit. What is lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi. Finish. I is equal to pi by 2 tan inverse of cos pi is minus 1, tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4, cos rho is 1, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus pi square by 4. It is important for JEE. Next questions. It is intervals like this. For example, a to b f of x dx equal to, if c is belongs to a comma b, then a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. This is a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. By using that property, we will practice some problems now. 80 question is f of x equals x square 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, root x 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, then integration of 0 to 2 f of x dx. Here it changes limits from 1, 0 to 1 is different, 1 to 2. So we have to 0 to 2 f of x dx equal to 1 is there in between 0 to 2. So write the separate interval 0 to 1 plus 1 to 2. 0 to 1 f of x interval is x square dx and 1 to 2 is root x dx. Find the integration. X square integration is x cube by 3 limits 0 to 1 plus root x integration is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 limits 1 to 2. Finish the answer. You can solve it. Apply the upper limit and lower limit. You will get the answer. Next 81. Integration of 1 to 4 f of x dx equal to f of x dx. Let us find where f of x equal to x square. This is lies between 1 less than x less than 2. F of x is equal to 3x minus 4, which is lies between 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Then what is 1 to 4 f of x dx? Yes, 1 to 4 f of x dx equal to 1 to 2 plus 2 to 4. 1 to 2 x square dx plus 2 to 4 3x minus 4 dx. Can you find this? Easy. X square integration x cube by 3, 3x minus 4 integration 3x square by 2 minus 4x. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Try yourself that. Next 83 question is integration of 0 to 2 mod of x minus 2 dx. Mod, if comes, we have to check in that interval whether it is positive or not. If it is positive, then mod x equal to x when x is greater than 0, minus x when x is less than 0. 0 to 2 interval, whole interval, it is a positive only. Say take it between one number 1 minus 2, negative only. At 2 it is 0, but 0 to 2 any one number you take it, entirely this interval, this is the negative. Then minus mod of x minus 2 is minus of x minus 2, integration of 0 to 2x. So eliminate mod first by using this concept, then find integration. X square by 2 minus 2x, limits 0 to 2, upper limit 4 by 2 2 minus 4, lower limit is 0. 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2. This is the answer. Okay. The same question, for example 0 to 4 mod of x minus 2 dx if there. So what is the turning point here? 2. When the inside mod value, if you make it 0, you will get turning point. At this point it became a 0. So 2 is there in between 0 to 4? Yes. So 0 to 2 mod of x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 4 mod of x minus 2 dx. 0 to 2 in between take any one number, will get negative here. So negative, and this is positive. So which is minus of 0 to 2 x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 4 x minus 2 dx. Understood? If it is negative, the mod of x minus 2 is minus of x minus 2. If it is positive, the mod of x minus 2 is plus x minus 2. Okay.